So right now, we're all self-isolating, do what we all are supposed to be doing. But luckily, I live in Cairns at the moment, but I think it's only 150,000 population, so I think the social distancing is taking care of itself. So I'm gonna head out today, go explore Cairns. Found this place, Crystal Cascades, only 20 minutes from my house. Why not? Let's go check it out, eh? I'll see you out there. You're staying here, mate. Can you hear that? Silence. No one else is here. Maybe a few other people had the same idea. Drive here was awesome. Windy roads. I'll have to think about taking my bike up here. Just gonna check out over here. I can hear some rapids going on. Look at this rainforest. Cairns. You're putting it up. Oh, whoa. Okay, we won't walk through there. See this guy right here? Yeah, okay, we'll try and go around him. We don't want to get eaten. Look how nice that is. Beautiful. They say it's a bit of a trek. Well, not a bit of a trek, but trail. Walk through. So I'll take you along actually. Let's go. Let's get there. I want to see what's in there. Stinging tree. Contact can cause severe pain. Okay, look out for those furry mofos. Fucking look. There we go. It's a bit wet. You wouldn't think so, being in the rainforest. Bit of rain, but yeah, not a bad little trek. Just gotta watch my step. How tall these trees are. They're like hundreds of years old. Oh, where's it going? Absolutely amazing. Where do I go? Up there? I don't know. I saw people walking before me. Oh, there they are, up there. Yeah, you can't walk over that. I don't know. Following these girls' footsteps, eh? They must know where they're going. Whoop! Bit slippery. That wasn't too bad. Oh, I'm diving in there for sure. This would be flooded during the monsoon seasons. You can just tell, like the rocks mossy as. So water would be flowing over this. Crazy. Going this way. Yeah, I survived. I think we're almost at the end. Well, they're going higher. Not too deep. I thought I was going to be a bit deeper than that. Maybe I should have worn those shoes. But they're wet now. Holy shit, that is sick. Look at that. It's a big water slide. I'll take my shoes off. Barefoot grip's always the best, I think. Yeah, that's nice. fresh water. Can't get much clearer than that. How good is that? No way. There's prawns in there. Holy shit. I'm trying to eat my feet. Oh, there's a big guy there. Feed the frog. Get skin. I'm gonna try and get underneath that waterfall. That'll do. Let's make the trek back, okay? Alright, that was an adventure. Saw some freshwater prawns, eating off my feet. Oh, cold water, so good. And that's just one of the small ones, so. Losing shoes. Sharp rocks, bare feet. I'll put my shoes back on up here. Oh, it's bad. I can't even feel the rocks now. We can almost run home. Thanks for coming along. It's been a pleasure. Let's hope you can enjoy it from the screen as much as I enjoyed it in the flesh. Catch you later.